Hi guys, welcome back to my video. If you don't know what's the move snore, snore, you're in the right video. So what's the move snore before you use it? So when you're when you have that move, it could be in any kind, everything. You could use it for anything. So I use it when your Pokemon is sleeping. Then you snore and it'll just wake up, I'm sure. And it took me so long. I went to Nicole and a mouse stick, and then I wish Nicole would use hypnosis and mouse stick would use sleep powder, but then mouse stick used sleep powder, and then I got a love at the Condur. So yeah, that's how you use the move snore, snore. I think so. Bye. It's a normal type move. Bye.